correct station. It's really quiet here.
While the tab says we are in the correct location. They should be here now. We are going to Cyber City first to meet Tato. Is she with the AI maker?
No, the AI maker is at his home at Solar City.
We will travel there after we see Tato.
Why have you decided to join the mission?
We want to start a family.
But because of our former line of work, we could be the target of revenge.
So the opportunity to go on this mission allows us redemption. Redemption.
Yes, if the mission is successful, we get a clean slate.
And we can live here free from the worry of someone coming to take revenge on us.
And we can start again and start a family.
Stand out like a sore thumb. Did you not get the memo?
Me or her?
Both of you.
Can we get back to the mission?
Yes, the mission. But before I get started, I just want to say I'm so happy to see members of the sisterhood. Ladies, as you know, I have been putting your crew together for some time. To be honest, I have been doing this for centuries. You already met the Entheus, Dela and Lana. This is the rest of your crew.
You trust them?
Yes, they are people I have known for centuries.
Yes.
They just don't want this mission to be successful. They need it to be successful.
Yes.
Looking forward to meeting him. You were able to leave the sisterhood after your mission.
Yes, it's one of the privileges of discovering water. You can choose your path.
With full support from the motherhood and no further obligations to the matriarch.
Full support, but with obligations. Like this, I am an ambassador of sort.
I wouldn't take you as the type for leaving.
How about the AI?
The AI is ready from what I hear from the designer.
Its objectives are to keep us safe and to navigate. Right.
Yes, but it's the safe part that's the issue.
How is that an issue?
An AI designed to keep you safe may keep you from a potential water source if the water source is a location that puts your lives at risk.
So it's possible that in order to safeguard us, the AI will keep us away from a possible water source.
Yes, but that's just one of the issues.
Just one.
Then there is the navigational issues too. On our mission, for instance, we got lost.
If the AI failed, why get him to make another one?
Because we were supposed to get lost. Sometimes, in order to discover something, you may need to feel lost. Because you're on a path no one has taken. The AI designer will explain in detail.